sunshines, please stay with me. See how to make this one ingredient pan-seared lamb chops. Please hit the subscribe and notification button, and please continue to watch this video. Thank you. Today we're doing pan-seared lamb chops. I have here 5 beautiful pieces of shoulder blade lamb chops. They're already washed and dried and ready for seasoning. And actually this recipe here has one ingredient, and they come out really good. For this recipe, these are the ingredients needed. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of complete, a 1/4 teaspoon of the powders, garlic and onion powder, and 1 1/2 of the other one. This is Lipton soup mix. This is onion mushroom. And these are all the ingredients needed for this. You don't need too much seasoning because there's a lot of seasoning in this Lipton onion and mushroom soup package. I added the salt and complete and 2 powders, garlic and onion powder, to the lamb chops. And now we're ready to go to the next step. Okay, I added 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan, and I also put on some water to boil, because we're going to use that, we're going to add that boiling water to the onion mushroom soup. So, like I said, we have the two tablespoons of oil in the pan, and we're going to brown the lamb chops. I'm going to semi-hot pan. We're going to brown these on both sides, uncovered. Really nice color. Brown on both sides for probably take about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Okay, actually it took about 10 minutes to brown to get it to this color. So it's brown on one side and I flipped it over. So it's 10 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other. This is the 1 1/2 packages of the onion mushroom, Lipton soup onion mushroom. And I added 1 1/2 cups of boiling hot water. This is that mixture. And we're going to add this to the lamb chops. Okay, we added that onion soup mix to this, and we're bringing it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, which it is boiling now, we're going to cover it, and then we're going to simmer. And this, cover it, let it simmer on a low to medium heat. Check it to make sure there's enough gravy in there. If it's not, you can always add either some boiling water to it, or you can take that other half of reserve onion mushroom soup and make another, add some boiling water to that and make another, make some more gravy and add to it. It all depends how much sauce or gravy that you like. So we're gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes, but check it though to make sure you have enough liquid in here. So I'm going to set my Fitbit watch for 20 minutes. The 20 minutes are up. They've been cooking for 20 minutes, and nice gravy. I'm going to let it cook down even more and let them get more tender. So I'm going to cook them for another 15-20 minutes. See you in 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, the 20 minutes are up. Actually, it was 18 minutes. And these are nice and tender. They're almost falling off the bone. And we have some nice gravy. And they're all ready. They're done. Dinner is now ready. We have pan-seared lamb chops made with one ingredient, served with a side of buttered noodles. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please hit the subscribe and notification button, letting you know when my next video is available. See you on my next video.